God. I have a problem. I tried to step away. I was up $2,200. I went out to feed the animals. Then I came right back to the casino. Gave back some. Made some back. Trying to have some self-control here, but I have a problem. Pray for me, guys. You guys gotta pray for me. Oof. Micron is a killer. Can make you rich or really poor. What else can I mess with? Microsoft is up there. Probably ready to dump. Micron's rallying. I was just about to get calls, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to chill. Is it going to keep going up or dump? Maybe we let it go up to that level up here, and then we get puts. Meta's kind of stagnant. Tesla's trying to rally. Let's look at Tesla. Spy's probably going up. Where's Spy? I don't have it on my thing. Alright. Puts time. Did I get it? Almost had it. Almost had it! Am I going to get it now? Yes, got it. And got it. Now, if it breaks that ceiling, it's going to keep going up. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Go back down, go back down, go back down. Yes. We're in the green. How much lower will it go? 358, 365, 368. Maybe. Where is a good point to cash out? 375, I think. It might keep pushing up, so if I can get 375, I'm happy. Got it. Got it. Try that again. It's at 385 now. Let's try and see. I could have made more money, but I didn't want to be greedy because it could rally back up. Let's try and have it hit that level again. We got it for 360, right? Oh, it's 355 now. And we got it for 350. We sold it for 375. I'm gonna try and pick it up again for 350. Come on, come on. You can get there. You can get there. You can get there. Hit it. Kiss it. Kiss it. Thank you. We're gonna close it off at 375 again or more. It went down to 380 something, right? No, I'm fine with another 375. Oh no. That's what I was afraid of. That's what I was afraid of. That rally back up. Did I get another puts? I'm gonna get another one. Because it might keep going. Let's try and get it at 410. Would it hit it? Okay. Go back down. Might keep going. I should close this one out. I'm gonna close this one out at, it's at 257. Let's try and get 270 before it climbs back up. Shoot. Shoot. Try and get 250 just to get out of this one. Man, I told you Micron's dangerous. It's trying to rally up. Come on, come back down, please. Please. Aye, aye, aye. You gone up enough, bro. Come back down, bro, please. Please! Doing too much. Dude, should have backed off. Somebody needs to stop me. Okay, I sold that. What's going on with this? Are we going to get our money back? At least. It's 35 profit. 40 profit. It's at 445. 450. We just hit 450. Let me cash out at 450. Can you please give it to me 450? It's really trying to climb, man. I should have been in calls. Probably gonna try and hit this level here. Really trying to climb. You got momentum. Oh no. It's pushing. It's pushing, but how much? I got two of them now. Okay, we're gonna break even. It's at 350. Oh, nice. Let's just do 4 out the door. Oof. Come on, why won't it sell? You want to give me more? Is that why? You want to give me more? That worked out. That worked out great. Nice. Dude, it wasn't letting me sell it, which was great because it dropped lower and I was able to come up even more. Do I get into calls now? Or do I leave it alone? You know what? I'm going to let it drop a bit before I get into calls. Or should I buy something else? Nothing else moving. Like everything else. Okay, Meta is like doing a little something. Maybe I think it's a good time to get into calls with Meta. Let's see how much is it to mess with Meta. Meta's looking like it's about to hit a level and rally up. So, see right here is trying to get down to that level. This is that level I marked earlier. The what is it? The OI, open interest. That's the level people are interested. But I'm interested right now. Or should I wait for it to drop a bit more? Drop a bit more to that open interest level. I'm actually going to get like 3 of them at that level. Let's say 80. It might not hit it, but it's fine. It might not hit it, but it's fine. Like it just bounced off that level. I want it to go a little bit lower. You know what? Here, let's replace it. Let's get, oh god, I put 13. No, I want 2 at 80. Cancel this. Okay, we almost messed up royally. Or no, that could have been the move because it's already up $10. That would have been up a lot. But okay, we got it at the open interest level. We're looking at a reversal, hopefully. If not, I'm buying more. You want me to buy more? I'll buy more. It's at 78 now. I'll buy another one. Let's buy another one at 78. Let's go. See how much resistance it's hitting here? I think it's about to rally up back to that VWAP. Oh no. Oh no. No, it's gone down long enough. We're ready to see some green backup. This is exciting. See what the bros are talking about. This is expiring today too, so better happen quick.
Ways inverse head and shoulders on MU. It's really just more an uptrend, a weak uptrend. I mean, you're making higher lows and higher highs. You're building your way in here. It's trying to build momentum and kind of go, break out. It hasn't really broken out at all yet. It tried right here and it fizzled out pretty quickly into VWAP. So I would just say MU looks like it's a weak uptrend that is looking for a stronger move. It does have the RSI to take it. It passes all of our parameters, and we're getting the 90 MA cross up. Let me see what options make sense on MU. I still have those NVIDIAs pulled up as well. Gosh, those options. I mean, if I were to play MU, I'd probably play the 900s for today, personally. And I don't know if I want to chase the break candle. I'm gonna go NVIDIA. I like NVIDIA more for a move to VWAP. So I'm gonna jump in a starter position in the 197.50 calls, and if we get continuation on the next candle, that'll be my trigger to increase that position for the move and sell into strength as you come up, because you are contesting with these wicks over here. There is danger on this chart. It is a downtrend. Technically, it looks like it's kind of prompting short, but if we get the confirmed breakout and we get continuation, it's worth taking. Yeah, MU is working. I didn't get on MU quick enough. I would have wanted it kind of sort of where we were talking about it right here. I didn't really pull it up quick enough. QQQ might give us the breakout that we're looking for as well. I like NVIDIA as my vehicle personally. I think they all make sense. Yeah, MU would have been beautiful. It would have worked really well. Kind of right where I was talking about it was on this pullback. That's all right. I wouldn't chase the MU if you aren't already in this. If you are, move your stop loss up into profits. If you're not already in this, wait for the second candle of confirmation. And NVIDIA has not confirmed either. NVIDIA might not even break out here. I'm looking at calls, John, not puts. You don't want to look at puts when you're breaking up on charts. So let these candles close, and then we'll see where we settle.
Dude, I can't stand listening to these guys. They throw me off. Forget this. I'm turning this off. I'm doing much better on my own. Forget the discords. Forget the gurus. I'm crushing it myself. Don't tell me what to do. Oh, we don't do puts. Forget you, nigger. Look at that. Already in profit with the puts. Just my computer's freezing. It's like throwing me off because now look, I'm in profit. I can't cash out. Stupid. For $58 in profits. Tell me not to get puts. Forget you, nigger. Oh snap, oh snap. Dude, this lag is killing me. There it is. Got it. Should have stayed in puts, man. Made me insecure. These dudes suck. I thought meta's about to reverse, but it's being stupid. It will, it will. If anything, I get another one right now. But no, it's not good to stack too many. Or is it? Man, I can't remember if this was open interest on puts or calls, but it's fine. I think we're about to see a breakout. I'm gonna pick up another one. Forget everybody. We're in it too deep. It's way too much red, but I'm feeling green. And you know what? I'm going to sell it slowly. I'm going to sell 2 at how much? They got it for 67. Let's try and get 75 for 2 of them, and then let 2 of them run. This is the only thing I'm in yet. Alright, let's listen to what the gay guys are saying. What are you talking about?
A little bit of a bull flag, but just not breaking out. NVIDIA actually technically.
I think Meta is
It did
about
not
to
break
break out.
the high there. Just be a little bit riskier, but I think I'm going to take a starter position on Micron here into the 9 EMA, any kind of like little wick down into here. I'm probably going to take one of those contracts, the 900 contracts, and just kind of give it a chance. And if it stops me out at 10%, it stops me out at 10%. It's a little bit riskier, but it'll kind of front.
I'm scared of Micron, man. I don't want to mess with it right
I expect
now.
will be a bounce here.
Let's focus on Meta.
It doesn't look like it's going to give it to us, does it? So I went ahead and threw a starter contract on there for Micron. The $900 calls. I'm up 10% on that already. I didn't get the greatest.
The data's
fill
killing me
either,
on this
20%.
Meta.
This is the back test on Micron. Let's see if we can get some surge in the in our direction. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stop loss in at a 5% gain in case this fakes out. Yeah, and it literally did, and stopped me out of 5%. That's annoying. I kind of want to still be in this. AMD broke out, but it's just pressing against VWAP.
AMD broke
Giving this
out.
Micron another shot.
We're gonna do puts.
I don't think I will. I think for me personally, I'm gonna let this candle play out, being in a call, and if we close back inside the range on this candle in a couple minutes, I'll just manually exit it and take whatever loss it gives me. The cleaner way to
climbed
take
way
this,
too
really,
high.
I'm trading the back test, which is inherently lower win probability, but
So,
obviously a higher reward.
I'm gonna give it like
If it does
330.
end up moving in your favor, you're taking the trade from support rather than taking it from a
335.
breakout. A little bit riskier, a little bit more reward. At 6%, 7%. I mean, it's so violent. I don't even really consider it a win until I'm up into like the 20s. We'll see. QQQ looks really, really good as well. If this candle closes over previous day low here on QQQ, that will confirm an up move on QQQ. Micron's working. Nvidia's kind of still working as well if you held on to that. 14%, 15% on MU. I'd like a push. Just come up here and like try these highs would make me feel a little better about myself. It is a good trade. The only thing that we don't have here is the opening range 5 on your dashboard, but it's very high. I mean, we had a pretty serious flush this morning, so the trade is almost up into this yellow box up here, which is your opening range.
Let's revisit that VWAP with AMD. Oh no.
Nothing else, guys. Nothing else. I don't really see anything else. Robinhood, AMD are broken out, confirmed breakouts. Micron, kind of confirmed. It looks a little shaky, but it is confirmed nonetheless. And QQQ will confirm if it can close this candle. I want to trade previous day low on QQQ though, not the afternoon range. Everything else is still in range. Yeah, I don't blame you on QQQ rather than MU. MU's spready, so like, if you're not selling into strength and pretty quick, like, MU will give a much bigger move if it goes. But QQQ is definitely the safer and honestly the more confirmed trade at this point. Any continuation though on either of them or Nvidia is worth taking to the upside. AMD looks like it wants to break out on VWAP. That would probably bode well for the chip space.
Ain't no way. I'm going puts.
So MU did close outside of afternoon range here. It does kind of constitute me holding the starter position. QQQ looks great. The 683 calls on QQQ are what I would play there. And I would play the 197.50s on Nvidia if I were playing Nvidia. I think I'll probably leave Nvidia alone though for now. Although I really like this VWAP trade. She just doesn't want to go, does she? Google getting a little interesting, but it has some work to do. I'm not seeing any thrust, guys, and really, especially if you're trading zero-day options, you kind of need thrust, or you're just going to bleed to theta. And so I don't really love any of these setups at this point. Yeah, I really don't. I think Robinhood was the obvious long. Yeah, it's struggling to hold. Maybe we get these 9 cross-ups. The 9 cross-ups give us a little bit of an extra boost here on the QQQ. Being patient with it. Starter position on MU. I have 1 contract on Nvidia, 1 contract on MU, and I'm not in the QQQ yet. I'll pump these up to probably 5 contracts each if they actually give the confirmation. or well, not the confirmation, but the continuation. Yeah, no, YouTube lagged it. I'm trying a different software. It should be a lot better, to be honest. MU's back green. Oh wow, their MU's really green. I'm debating putting my stop loss in at 5% profit, just because I was just down like 30% on this call, and I don't really want to be down 30% again. I think I'm gonna let it. I think I'm gonna let it cook. I think I'm gonna trust the technicals and let the candle close. MU is broken out, Nvidia is broken out, QQQ is broken out. I think we trust the technicals and we let the candle close. So my one Nvidia call is up a couple percent. I did not get into QQQ here. I'm in Micron $900 calls, and I'm in Nvidia 197.50 calls. Call one of each. Yeah, SPY is it's all kind of struggling at VWAP here. If you're trading long, you're trading the breakout. Like you're trading the breakout on VWAP, or really here on Nvidia. I love the move to VWAP on Nvidia. It probably stopped short, but I mean that would be fine. Like we would get plenty of we would get a very nice trade even if it stopped somewhere in here. You know, contesting these wicks over here. That would be perfectly fine. Oversold. I mean, Nvidia down like 5% today is a big red day for Nvidia. It's probably my favorite trade idea on the board. Is this move to VWAP. Pull this up. I'm at 10% on it. I don't know if I want to scale though. I don't know if it's scalable, guys. I mean, I guess it probably is, but just contesting with these wicks here, you're gonna have to be quick. Well, there's 20%.
This guy messed me up.
Continuation. I'm gonna put my stop loss in on Nvidia at 5% gain. I mean, and it immediately took the profits. No continuation. I mean, there's no continuation there at all. So like, I put that stop loss in at 5% gain and immediately took the profits. And that's pretty ugly. I mean, that's not at all what you wanted to see following up your confirmation on the breakout candle.
That's crazy.
That's pretty ugly. Okay, I guess, you know, your 9 can still hold, but you're not getting follow through, and without follow through, options just have a really hard time.
Crazy. I just wasn't fast enough. My internet wasn't fast enough, man.
MU still looks like a nice.
Could have been in profit with AMD.
I don't know how MU doesn't make this move, which is why I picked the $900 calls. They're pretty violent, but like if we make this $3 or $4 move on MU, they will most definitely pay for our Nvidia paper cut if anybody took one there. Melt up off the 9. The Qs are bouncing on 382 on the daily. Yeah, the Qs are a really good spot to bounce. I'm surprised. I really am surprised it flushed today. I did not expect the flush today. I mean, I knew it was an option. I did not think it was the most likely outcome. We immediately rejected it. I did not expect that.
Oh snap! AMD is going up.
It might set us up for a nice dip buy tomorrow, though. It's just a sketchy week, guys. Sketchy week. We can talk a little bit about macro once we get the resolution on these trades, which still have not really given me a technical reason to believe that they're not going to make the moves that I expect them to make. And it's hard for me to not just trust the technicals on them. Now MU's back up 30%. Do we trim into profits? The MU. I think I let it cook for a second. 24.
Okay, I'm gonna close.
I just don't really believe we're gonna get the follow through, guys. I just don't think we're gonna get follow.
Close 2 of these at
until late.
55.
I'd say if you're up I'm up 25% on this MU call. If that's good, it's like 30, 40 bucks, like 40, 46 dollars, $50. Now it's really kind of moving. Gosh, if it makes this move, it'll be like 300%. I really want that play, guys. I want that play for you guys as much as me. QQQ still looks good. Get your stop loss in on MU. Do not take a loss on the MU trade. There's no way you're down on it unless you literally bought the tops of any of these candles. I'm up 32%. Put your stop loss in on it. Don't take a loss on it. I really want the breakout personally away from these highs up into previous day low. But that is not guaranteed. What's guaranteed is the 20 or the 30% or whatever it is that you're sitting on right now. QQQ still looks fine. Nvidia sort of fell apart, but I mean it's still over the 9, so it's kind of hard to just write it off entirely while it holds the 9. Yeah, and there's your MU. I didn't take my contract down. It made sense too, though. I mean, 30%. We were up at 35% at one point. It makes sense to take some profits there, if you if it's a risk position that you're not extremely comfortable letting go against you. Big volume off the 9 on Nvidia. The QQQ just absolutely is cooking to the upside here. MU back at 30%. 35%, 38%. Come on. I mean, it's got all the ingredients. Like it really has all the ingredients for a 100 bagger, 100% winner. But I don't know if we're gonna get the follow through. 45%. Take a little profits, guys. 57, 61, 63. 68, 71, 76. All right, I'm going to take my contract down. I'll probably close that around 65. That is absolutely, you can hold on to this MU trade. I'm going to take the profit on that. 65% is fine. But really has not gotten any follow through at all anywhere else. That was really the only trade was this MU off the 9. That I've really seen here. A lot of the chips kind of did the same thing. So if you were in INTC or AMD, a lot. The only one that didn't was Nvidia.
Computer's freezing.
I did exit my MU there though, and I never scaled it. It was really just the one. It's going to give us that previous day move. You guys have to tell me that's got to be. It'll be like 300% if anybody holds it all the way through there. You'll have to tell me what percentages you got. Follow through on what again? So I was talking about follow through here, Jules. So like when we have breakouts, breakout confirmed. On Nvidia, but breakout confirmed here on MU as well. We just weren't getting. I mean, we went 20 minutes here with a confirmed breakout over 40 on the RSI, and we're just now finally getting a little bit of green. I sold into strength there on the pop. It probably was a little bit early, to be fair, but the lack of follow through, how long it took us to make this move, is sort of why I'm a little bit timid to hold onto the position for too long. It was a really nice move. I mean, I think it was at 64 or 65% on MU. Nobody should be complaining about 64 or 65%. And there was an incredible amount of time to get in on that. I mean, I was down like 30% on it at one point. Tesla into VWAP, too tight to me. Tesla's a little too tight here. It probably, it can make this move. You're breaking out. Tesla can make the move, but it's got too much bearishness broadly, and it's a little tight to the profit targets. I think the exit on MU made a lot of sense, and I hope you guys did it, because those out-of-the-money calls are going to lose their premium very quickly. If you were in the same ones as me, I mean, they're probably already basically almost entirely given back as far as the gains are concerned. Alphabet looking a little interesting, but a lot of work to do here to break this out. Maybe that'll be like a final 15-minute trade. I have a hard time getting behind Tesla into 3 layers of resistance up here within $1. It's a tough sell for me. Nvidia just absolutely did not do the thing. It really didn't confirm though, so it was sort of my front run that got me into this, not really the rules. It did not really confirm. Front ran this wick right here. I'm not in anything anymore, guys. I'm really just kind of watching for the setup that sort of moves into the next 10 minutes. I don't really see, but the only things that would work now have already kind of worked. And we want more confluence. I want 3 of 4 confluence minimum in the dashboard, which is really why I was focused on MU and QQQ here. Both still do look good. I mean, QQQ probably looks the best. If anybody's still in that, I don't even think you've really hit your take profit yet because you haven't gotten your gold star. You should get... Are we coming off of a... Oh, we broke down all of his levels today. I was trading futures. I wasn't looking at this chart. You do want to be taking profits on QQQ. So I think QQQ is coming into supply as well. Your upside target is probably right here, like 185, almost on the money, 185. But that's like upside target. I would say the easy move over VWAP and over your previous day low is kind of booked there. Google. I'll take that Google trade. I will take that breakout Google trade with both the opening range and the afternoon range right there. I would take that on Google on volume if we close this candle up here and get continuation. That is a setup that is attractive to me. That's high enough probability to take together. That did not close though, which sucks, but it matters. Yeah, Tina, there's no way the money in the bank would be getting 60%. Well, you know, the money in the bank doesn't risk. I was down 30% right here to get that 60%. So the money in the bank doesn't risk that either. It's good to have money in the bank right now. I think we're moving into a time period where having money in the bank is going to be beneficial to people, at least a little bit. QQQ looks great. Nvidia still, I mean, it's constructive. It's just slow. It's tough to trade with options. It's just tough. This is a really, really tough trade. I think it looks really good. I think it looks fine for the move to VWAP still. It's just really, it's going to be choppy and it's going to be tough to trade with options.